What's up guys, welcome to Petrolhead's Paradise. We are in a Four Seasons 5-star hotel and something is in front of me just like always. Do you want to see the full-fledged view without these trees? Watch the full video. Let's start what the cars are from the rear of the lineup. 458 Italia, black matte black roof, white Huracan Spider, Huracan, the newest 488 GTB in Mumbai, black shade. It's amazing. That favorite Gallardo, again one more Huracan and a GT3. I want to go to the GT3. Oh, that Miami blue GT3 is so good. And the Huracan with the carbon bonnet, that's amazing. Just look at those wheels, man. Lovely, lovely. Oh, the shade is killing it. Just look at the shine and the headlights. Amazing. These candy colors. In गाड़ी को देख gems का याद आ रहा है. Orange, blue, black, yellow, orange, white and red. कौन सा color missing है man इसमें? All colors are there. I even had a ride in this Gallardo and that experience was one of a kind experience. We'll be making some videos with this car as well. Seriously guys, parking na cars ka parking ho to aisa. Seriously, unbelievable. So many cars, candy colors, blooming all over the place. The car is actually even bluer than the sky. Guys, कैसा लग रहा है lineup? जरा बताओ नीचे comments में बताओ, type करके बताओ. How is this lineup? This Huracan has a red roof, white shade and red interior. Looks so sick, right? And red calipers. क्या spec है भाई?